Behind me is my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, and today we're going to install a remote starter that uses your original key fob. There you go. All right, let's go ahead and get started. This is the MyKey Premium Remote Starter Kit for Kia, Hyundai, and Genesis vehicles. You notice that the box calls out a few of the key features here, like the auto door lock, the auto recharge, obviously the soft remote start. It's a plug and play installation, so no wires to cut or splice, and it works with your original key fobs, as well as it's only compatible with vehicles equipped with a push start stop button. Now, this particular unit is made for my Hyundai Tucson. This is something I purchased on my own. No one sent this to me or anything like that. You can see the packaging is pretty simple. Right now, I'm looking at the T-harness or the wire harness. And then we have the brains of it all. This is called the MyKey Premium Module. And this gets connected to the vehicle's smart key module. You'll notice here too that they have these dip switches. Do not change these. They come pre-configured for the vehicle. Then you have this label here showing the inputs. And then this is the side you're going to want to pay attention, because that's where the wire harness is going to get connected to. These things here on the side, I'm probably going to use that to strap it in place. Or you can screw it in place if you find something under the dash to screw it into. And then here you have your user manual. You notice it's very detailed, a lot of useful information. It's pretty simple to understand, and you can find additional details about the features and useful information. So make sure you read this carefully before you begin your installation. It also included an installation flyer with a QR code to help you even further with the installation. They also have a flyer here that reads "Lunch on Us." So if you submit a video with your car remote start, they might give you lunch. We'll see if I can get a free lunch out of this. And that's pretty much it. That's what comes in the box. You have your wire harness and then your module. Now let's go see if this is as simple to install as it looks. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I'm in the vehicle now, and I pulled out the wire harness or the T-harness. And you notice that they have 3 female connectors and another side that's male connectors. Now, the original wire harness from the vehicle is going to get connected to that female side. And it's nice because they're color coded. So this box here, that's the smart key harness or module from the vehicle. And all you have to do is go in there and press down, and then they should slide right out. Start with the first one, press right there, and slide. There you go, that's 1. The gray one, 2, and then the black one, 3. So we just removed these cables from the smart key module, and then we're connecting it to the harness, the black with white, gray with gray, and then the other black with the brown. Right there, we're going to connect these to the other side of the harness. Is going to get plugged into the factory smart key module right here. And that's where the male side of the harness is going to get connected into that female side of this module. Okay, so I've plugged them in, and you notice that you have the brown goes first, then the gray, and then the black. And this side, we're going to connect to the module, the MyKey Premium module. So you see here, trying to do this with one hand. So let's plug in that first one. There it goes. Yep. And now when I plug this in, you'll hear a series of beeps. Yep. There goes the beep. And the LED light confirming the installation is complete. And then it'll be followed by these 3 beeps. And you're done. That's it, you're done. Okay, so we connected all the cables to the module. And now using the factory key fob, we're gonna try and turn it on remote start. Now the manual does recommend that you do not do this when you're in the car. You should be away from the car, so let's try that right now. Okay. All right. Let's try 1, 2. You notice it takes about 2 to 3 seconds for it to activate. There you go. All right. And then you can unlock the doors. You can open it. And to turn it off, you simply hit the lock button twice again. That's it. And it locks it automatically. All right. That's all you need.